Hello everyone, this is David, and today I'll be introducing you to MonkeyType, a typing website that tests your typing speed and accuracy. There are several ways for you to customize your test. You can make it have punctuation and/or numbers. You can also make it have a time limit or a word limit. You can even choose to type a quote, and you can choose your quote via this search function and scroll through or search. You can choose to do Zen mode, which allows you to type in as many words as you want for as long as you want. And finally, you can do custom mode, where you get to paste in a text to serve as your typing test. Note that you can also change the language of your test here. The results of your test would look something like this, where you get to see your words per minute typed and your accuracy, as well as the errors that you've made. That's it for today, and I hope you find this website useful.